so I am done putting all the plants in the ground. Even though it is late in the day, it is so hot here in central Indiana. The last few weeks we have had highs in the 90s, and it's just been horrible working outside. But let me show you what I did here first. So the area where you're looking at right now, this is the before I started planting all the stuff that I went and got at Lowe's today. I had a bunch of roses, yellow roses here. They just were struggling here for the last few years. I tried everything. They were just being eaten by every single thing that wanted to eat them, and I honestly, I am tired of every year trying to keep up with them and trying to make them look good. So this year I decided I am done with them. I am just gonna get something else that doesn't require too much maintenance from me. And so that's what I did. I went to Lowe's and I checked what they had, and I am so excited that I did, because I found so many things that I think they're just going to look amazing here in the next coming years. So this area, it is covered by little quick fire hydrangeas. They don't get that big, so they are perfectly here. I love them because they start with these white flowers, and then they turn into the loveliest pink. If you don't have any little quick fire hydrangeas in your garden, you're missing out. And I don't know about this lavender. I trim it back, in my opinion, way low in the spring, and still it's kind of flapping around. I don't know if it's too wet or too dry. I just love this lavender, but I'm not giving up. This is the first year. I think I put this last year in the summer here, so this is the first year that it does that. I'm going to try and maybe trim it a little bit shorter next spring. We'll see how that goes, but I am keeping that there for right now. This year I tried some dahlias over here on each side, and they're coming along beautiful. I think that definitely those type of dahlias are going to be a repeat for me next year. So I basically only got 3 types of flowers from Lowe's. I knew that I wanted some coneflowers. I still wasn't sure what color I was going to be able to find, but look at that. That's just a gorgeous coral, not quite pink, but it's like a coral color. I don't know how to explain it. It's just beautiful. And my friend from Southern Entertaining, that's her Instagram, and I believe that's her YouTube, posted a picture of these flowers in the last few days, and my goodness, they are just beautiful. So I didn't think that it was possible to find them, because you know, sometimes you see flowers that other people have and you're never lucky enough to find them at your local store, but I did, and I grabbed myself a couple of them. They are just gorgeous, and I am so excited for them. And these right here, I have some of these Millennium Garlic on other areas of my garden, and I know they perform well, so we'll see. The area here that I am working on, it's really a struggle for me, because it feels like it gets a lot of sun during the day, and the soil in it is very compacted. I feel like I have to constantly work around the soil and the light, and it's I don't know if I'm just not lucky on this area of the garden, but this is what I have. I just wanted to show you what I did today, and basically that's all I'm going to do. And I had to dig up a few of the baby perennials that were there, but that's okay, because I'm gonna plant it somewhere else, so I am not worried about these. But I am very, very excited, you guys. Hopefully here in the next few weeks, I can show you how all of these are blooming together and just doing great. So thank you for being here today, and until the next video.